Hey guys, welcome back to my Hypermotard. Mr. Rambo and I. I've been waiting a long time for the Austin Racing exhaust slip-ons, and they finally came in, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and install them and see how they sound. What do you think? Yeah? First things first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start this bike so you guys can actually see what the OEM exhaust sounds like.
Rambo.
All right, guys, so we'll be back. Let me put this guy back and we'll start. Okay, so these are the Austins. You really don't need much other than, I think one of these, I'm not sure exactly which size for the number plate and stuff. And then one of these to get the spring off. And I like to use Loctite. And then these are the actual side panel holders that they provided. So the OEMs have the ones that actually you could remove from some exhaust and put on another, but Austin doesn't have that, so it should be pretty easy to install. So let's go ahead and get started. We're just going to take this side panel off first. He's on the other side, so I got that close here.
At the same time, just start off a little bit first like this, and then when you go to bolt up the bracket,
Shit, so I wonder if this one right there is my bolt.
make sure it's nice and tight to the panel.
Well, you provided. All right guys, we just finished the install. Check this out. This sounds awesome. Watch your ears, little man. Here we go. Go back there. Okay guys, I realized that on the recording, on the video that I made, the recording wasn't that good because the mic was here while I was giving it gas. So we're gonna record it one more time so you guys can hear it from the back end. See what you think. I don't know, what do you guys think? It sounds pretty damn good, don't you think? Thank you, Austin Racing. Sounds absolutely amazing. What do you think, Rambo? What do you think, Mr. Rambo man? All right, from Rambo and I, over and out. We'll be back on the next one, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, tell your friends. Put some comments down below because I want to see what you guys think about this exhaust, okay? See you guys next time.